Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jacqueline, and in this video I'm going to show you how I package up a quilt kit for my shop. So right here, this is the plastic that I use to wrap up my kits. And then right here is my kit. These are all my fabrics, all pre-cut. And in your kit, you're going to get the directions and you'll get all the fabrics cut out. These fabrics are for the top only. Yeah. And so what I do is I take the plastic here, which is this here, and I center my fabric over the plastic, and I just go over a little more. Let's put this under here. Let's cover that up. Okay, so I'm gonna center it, go over like this, and I need to go over a little more because that's not enough. All right, so I'm gonna, yeah, like that. Go over, and then over here I have my, I'm not sure what you call this thing, but it's what you use to seal your packaging. And so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna, okay, so what I do, because my table is low and I don't want my fabric pieces to shift, I just sit my fabric pieces on top of some fabric bolts just to make it, lift it up taller so that I can seal it with this. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this over real tight, and then I'm gonna bring it under here, and I'm gonna seal it. Now I don't want any air in here, and I want my pieces to be really tight. Not sure what the word is. I want my fabric pieces to be really tight so that they don't shift. So, like that, okay? So I'm going to bring my fabric down like this, and then I just bring this down. Kind of awkward. Alright. Yeah, I think that'll work. So just bring this down. Just for a few seconds. Okay. So I just hold it down for a few seconds. And then I have a cutter here that I use to cut. This here just cuts it. And lift it up. Okay. And then I tear off the excess, the extra. Okay, so I tear off this extra. And then I'm gonna actually I'm gonna add a little more because it did not catch it all. So I'm just gonna unroll this. Okay. And then I open it up because my piece that I have, it did not catch it all. So I'm just going to double wrap this. And so, okay. Alright. I'm going to give it a double wrap. Kind of awkward, but it can be done. Alright, so take this over here. I know my arm might be in the way. I'm going to get as close as I can. And then I want to, okay. Hold it down a few seconds. And up, and then I like to do it again. then this is the cutter. Lift that up. Okay. Then I want to take off the excess. Okay. And then I want to do the same thing on the side. I don't want my fabric to shift. Hold this down a few seconds. Up, and then do it again. Alright, here we go. And then I take off the extra. And then I'm going to do the other side. Again, I don't want my fabrics to move, so I'm going to be careful if they don't move. And do this side. Again, hold it down a few seconds. Doesn't take long. And go up, and then I do it a second time. And then I cut it off with the cutter. And then this is how it looks. And then just take off the extra right here. And now I want to take my gun here. Put this, let's move this out the way. So this is what we have. And now I want to seal it together so the fabrics don't move. And so then I'm going to use this here to seal it. Okay. And what I do is I put it right there, and then I just go here and just go back and forth. And I put my hand on it. Okay. You don't want to do too much, because you don't want it to come open. And I put my hand on it, kind of help hold it down. And I just go like this. All over. Okay. You don't want to make it too tight. That's enough. Down. And this is what I get here. Now I'm gonna do a little more because I feel like the fabric couldn't shift, so I'll just do a little bit more. Okay. And it's kind of puffy, so it's just a little hole. Alright, let out some of the air. And then, there we go. Okay, that's how we do it. And that's what it looks like. And then I just put my label on it. It's a label. Tells you everything that's in it. Turn it off. I'm going to stick that on. Okay. already good to go. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.